Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to recharge your 3UK SIM card quickly and easily. First, open the official 3UK recharge link or visit 3.co.uk/page. Next, enter your mobile number, then choose whether you want to buy a data pack or add credit using your debit or credit card. After selecting your option, proceed with the payment. Once it's complete, your SIM will be tapped up instantly and you can start using your data, calls, or text right away. And that's it. You've successfully recharged your 3UK SIM card without needing to visit a store. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.